Hello everyone, I am Manager Lee from Ningbo Longwell. Today, I would like to introduce one of our through-flow products, this model, the LWCA1205660SN06. This product is relatively large in size, with an impeller diameter of 120 mm and an impeller length of 560 mm. The housing is made of galvanized steel, and the impeller is made of aluminum alloy. It features maintenance-free ball bearings, and the housing undergoes electrophoretic treatment, making it suitable for use in relatively harsh environments. The maximum length of this product can be extended up to 1.2 meters. When multiple units are combined, they can form a powerful air curtain. This product is mainly used in applications such as underfloor heating, fireplaces, air purifiers, and air curtain machines. Additionally, various accessories can be added to this product, such as protective grills like this one, which can be installed on the product. The motor can also be specially treated to enhance its waterproof performance, allowing it to be used in more complex environments. That concludes today's introduction. Thank you, everyone.